Okay, good morning, Math 3 classes. This is Wednesday, March 3rd, and this is your asynchronous assignment. And it's not a long assignment, so that's nice. I wanted to give you some directions here. There's two problems that you need to do, number 75 and 76. Let's put in present mode. Oh, and first of all, birthdays this week. This popped up on my Illuminate when I take roll, so I just happened to notice that Alex C. and Tana, your guys' birthday is this week, so happy birthday. There's a cute puppy picture for you, and I hope you enjoy your birthday this week. Okay, so 523, what can I learn about logs? So you're going to do 75, and basically, so read through 75. It tells you to pick and you have to answer all these discussion points. I'm not going to read it to you. I just want you to know it tells you to pick for 76. Well, read all that, answer it. But when you go to 76, the next slide, it tells you to pick a log function and make a graph, a table and a graph, and then answer everything, all this stuff. I'm gonna let you read it and do that. But I wanted you to know, like, which one are you gonna pick? Like, when you're gonna read this and you're gonna say, which one am I supposed to pick? Well, you are not allowed to pick log base 2 or 5, okay? So, because we've already done those. So, do not do, if you do log base 2 or you do log base 5, you will not get credit, okay? Because we've done those, I've done those in class. So it's just easy for you to copy them. The point is for you to learn a new log base and to learn a pattern. So the ones that you can do are 4, log base 4 of x, log base 6 of x, log base 7, 8, 9, and even 10. And I didn't fit it on here, but y equals log base 10 of x. Okay, and I wanted to do, hey, if your first name begins with A, do log base this one. If your first name begins, this is for third period. If your first name begins with A, do this one. If it begins with like B through, I don't remember what we did. Remember what we did last time? Do this one, you know, G through, I don't know, let's do G through N or something like that. O through like R, and then like S through Z, do this one. Just something like that. It doesn't really matter. Or if you want to pick that one, well, these ones are good actually. 4 through 9 is better. 10, we could say for later. If anybody wants to do 10 as an additional one, awesome. For fifth period, there were less people whose name begin with A. So the beginning of the alphabet, you know, pick this one. The next part of the alphabet, pick this one. The middle of the alphabet, pick this one. The latter half of the alphabet, pick this one. And then the very last part of the alphabet, you guys pick this one. So as long as you're in the general vicinity of your alphabet, then I'm fine with it. Okay, so that's I want you to pick from either log base 4 to log base 9. You cannot pick 2 or 5. If you do, you won't get credit, okay? Okay, so that's the first thing. So the second thing is, since I did this, I did log base 5 on the last episode of Math 3. I'm trying to get out of here. Okay, let me out. There we go. And let me clear this writing. Go away writing. There we go. Okay, I assigned a portion of the video on Edpuzzle. So each of you has been assigned to watch 522, not the whole video, because the whole video was 30 or 40 minutes long. I shortened it. I can trim it. I trimmed it down to 8 minutes, to like the 8 minutes that just has problem number 64. Okay, so I can see whether you watched it or not on Edpuzzle. So yeah, it's actually 7 minutes, 47 seconds, and it just has number 64. So the reason I did this is because I did log base 5. So this is going to show you like what I want for today's lesson, number 75 and 76. And any additional stuff that you need to add, make sure you read 75 and 76. But this is a good example of what you should have on your paper. This is log base 5. You're going to be doing log base 6, 7, 8, 9, or 4, depending on what part of the alphabet your first name is. Okay, so watch this video first, 7 minutes, and you can do your problem along with it if you want to. And I'm going to be able to see who watched it, so you do get credit. Part of your assignment is actually watching it. So it's going to tell me how many seconds you watched it, how many minutes you watched it. So make sure you log into Edpuzzle. You need to log through Edpuzzle. I'll put the link in the Google Classroom. It should take you right over to Edpuzzle through the link. If it doesn't, you know, message me and let me know. All right, guys, so And then your homework is 78 through 84. So your classwork is 75 and 76. Homework is 78 through 84. I'll post that in the Google Classroom so that you know what your assignment is, and you could just look on there. All right, guys, have a great Wednesday. So the stuff is to be completed by 3 p.m. Okay, completed by 3 p.m. And then I'm taking roll at 3 p.m. So due by 3 p.m. today. Okay, so what do we have? 75 and 76 is your classwork. That is due by 3 p.m. The homework is 78 through 84. That is due next class period, which is Friday. So you just need to finish these two and submit it by 3 p.m. and the rest due Friday 10 a.m. All right, have a great Wednesday, guys. I'll see you on Friday.